In this video, I'm going to show you how to get back your memories on Snapchat. That is quite simple and easy, so let's begin. First, let's open up Snapchat and here let's type on that memories icon just beside the record button to get in our memories. Here we got all the memories like snaps, stories, camera roll and my eyes only. And imagine that you lost some of that memories, no matter what happened, like you delete that memory from your Snapchat account and now you want to restore that memories. So what you're gonna do, just go to your profile, tap on that profile icon right here, and here you see my stories and you need to tap on that three dots icon right here and make sure that autosave snaps to memories option is enabled. So now all the snaps will be saved to memories, and now let me show you how to restore your memories. To restore memories, tap on that gear icon and scroll to the very bottom to find My Data. And here you will be able to go through the login process. I did that before. And there you can restore any kind of your data. The full list you can read here. It's quite big and you see that memories are in that list, so you can restore your memories. Just enter here email and confirm the email address and all this data will be emailed to you. And let me show you how it works. I'll write here my email. And then just tap on submit request button. And now Snapchat team received my request, and once all this data will prepared, I will get an email with all my Snapchat data. So that's how it works, and I hope it helps you. So before you go, please like and subscribe.